We need a green chart paper. Draw a 3 Christmas tree on it. Cut it and attach it with a glue gun to make it 3D shape. Follow my step properly and you'll watch a complete video to make a perfect 3D Christmas tree. Our perfect paper Christmas tree is ready. Need a red ribbon to make a bow. Cut the piece of a ribbon at the size of the ribbon about 7 to 8 centimeter. Tie it at the center. Now attach the bow at the top of a Christmas tree. Now we need some blue color beads and attach it on a Christmas tree one by one. Now it's looking so beautiful. Christmas tree is a more attractive symbol in the Christmas history. Hopefully you like my idea. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.